Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how we can add support for Dart theme in our Android applications. Dart theme is available from Android version 10 and above. Before seeing how we can add support for Dart theme, let's see why we should support Dart theme in our application. It can reduce power usage by a significant amount depending on the device screen technology. It improves visibility for users with low vision and those who are sensitive to bright light. It makes it easier for everyone to use a device in a low light environment. Now let's see how we can add Dart theme support in our application. To support Dart theme, we need to set our app parent theme with day and night theme. Let's see how we can do that. In the themes.xml file, set the parent theme with app compare.day night or material components.day night. Day night theme ties the app main theme to system control night mode flags and gives the app a default Dart theme when it is enabled. You can simply go to settings and display and enable the dark mode. It will enable the dark mode and you can see the changes like this. Now we have added support for system default dark theme mode. Let's see how we can customize the dark theme. To customize the dark theme, we need to create a separate XML file for night mode. To create an XML file, right click on the values and new values resource file. Add the night mode qualifier and set the file name similar to themes.xml file. Once created, you can see a theme.xml file for night mode. You can simply copy and paste all the styles inside the themes.xml file into the night themes.xml file. If you want to customize the style, you can update the colors over here. It is always a good practice to add the colors in colors.xml file instead of hard coding it. It will be very useful when we need to update the style, and we can simply change in one place and it will be reflected in all places. Now we have added support for system default night mode. Now let's see how we can provide a switch inside our app to switch between dark and night mode without changing the device theme. In our app, we are going to provide a switch in the app bar menu to switch between dark and night mode. First, let's see how we can add the switch in the app bar menu. First, we need to create a menu. Right click on the resource folder, add a new Android resource file, set the resource type as menu and provide that file a name. Once created, you can see the file in menu folder. Inside this menu folder, menu file, you can add the menu item. You need to provide the menu item ID. This ID will be used to find the menu item and handle the user actions. Since we are going to display a switch, we are going to set the action new class with switch compact. This will display the switch in the menu. Now we have created a menu file. We need to inflate this menu file inside the activity. To add the menu in the action bar, we need to inflate the menu in on create options menu. Once inflated, we can get the switch with the given ID. And we can add the switch change listener and update the dark mode and light mode. Now we have added support for switching between dark and night mode manually. In your app you can see the switch and you can switch between dark and night mode without changing the device theme. That's it. We have added support for system default dark mode as well as manually switching between dark and night mode inside our application. If you like this content, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content. You can post your queries and comments below, and thanks for watching.